GeekRoster.com.
Real talent.
Come celebrate the greatest hits of the Beach Boys with Good Vibrations. Good Vibrations has mesmerized audiences across the world with their faithful renditions of Beach Boys classic hits like I Get Around, California Girls, Surfin' USA, Help Me Rhonda, Fun Fun Fun, and many more.
These guys, they imitate them so great.
Catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the world.
That I would come back and see that again.
Good Vibrations, the second to none tribute to America's favorite band, the Beach Boys.
We had a great time. I thought the show was great.
This exciting show takes you on a musical journey of sun, surf, cars, and girls as this incredible band captures the incomparable harmonies of the Beach Boys, recreating their unique sound right before your ears. The high-energy show gets the crowd to its feet as it moves to the greatest hits of America's most legendary band.
I love the show because that was my era, the 60s.
Good Vibrations, a true celebration of the music of the Beach Boys. Come see them live.